Hello, my dear students of class 6B English medium. In my first class, I discussed several issues on geography. Today, I am discussing the important features about stars. First, stars are burning luminous and hot masses of gases. Actually, stars are made of hot burning gases. Next, they emit light of their own and are very large and very hot. Then, light takes about 4.3 years to reach us from the next nearest star, Proxima Centauri. This is very important. Light takes about 4.3 years to reach us from the next nearest star, Proxima Centauri. My next point is what is the color of the star, and what does the color of the star suggest, indicate? The color of the star suggests how hot the star is. How hot the star is. The small reddish ones are the coolest ones. So the small reddish color ones are the coolest ones. So it is very common. Small reddish ones are the coolest one, and such stars are also the most numerous in the sky. So there are innumerable numbers of stars in the sky, as we find in the night sky. The yellow ones are a little hotter, and the yellow ones and the yellow color of the stars are a little hotter, but the reddish ones are the coolest ones. You have to remember, it's very important. The big blue ones are a very hot and brighter than the yellow ones. So blue ones are very hot than the yellow ones, hot and brighter. So the largest, brightest, hottest stars are the white ones. So the largest, brightest and hottest stars are the white ones, and they are all that we see with our naked eyes. So these are actually the stars that we see with our naked eyes. So this is actually the color of the star. This is actually the color of the star suggest or indicate. Okay. My next point is light year. So what is a light year? So that light year, the distance that light would travel at this speed in a year is called a light year. This is actually specific distance the light would travel at its speed in a year is called light year. So what is the speed? The light travels almost 30 lakh kilometer in a second, as we find in your textbook. Stars appear little as they are billions of kilometers far away. Proxima Centauri, the second nearest star to us after the Sun, is 41,000 billion kilometers away. In comparison, the Sun is really close by. It is just 150 million kilometers away. That is why the Sun appears like a big fiery plate. So it takes 8 minutes 20 seconds for the sunlight to reach the earth. So from the sunlight to reach the earth, it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds. This is very important. So this means that the light travels almost 30 lakh kilometer in a second. So this distance the light would travel at this speed in a year is called a light year. So this is actually the definition of a light year. You have to remember. So the astronomers measures the huge distance between celestial bodies in space by this unit. So this actually the light year is used to measure the huge distance between celestial bodies in space. Okay. So the distance of Proxima Centauri from the Earth when measured in this unit is 4.2 light years. 4.2 or 3 light years approximately. My next point is, what is constellation? So various figures may emerge when you connect stars. They are seen close to each other in the sky. Such a group of stars is called a constellation. So what is constellation? As we find in the sky, when you connect stars, they are seen close to each other in the sky. If you look at the night sky, you will find innumerable number of stars. Such a cluster and such a group of stars means this actually a clustering star. So such a group of stars is called a constellation. Okay. The Ursa measure Saptarshi Mondol, a group of 7 bright stars usually seen in the north sky. So the Ursa measure Saptarshi Mondol, a group of 7 bright stars usually seen in the north sky. So what is Saptarshi Mondol? You find here. So the Ursa measure a group of 7 bright stars usually seen in the north sky was imagined by Central Asian to be house tied to a ground peg. At this other end of the sky, the Cassiopeia forms an M shape. The Cygnus has been conjured up as the cruciform and the escusate Orion as a gallant hunter. So this actually the various shapes of the stars. Now this is very important. Why are the stars not seen in the daytime? Why are the stars not seen in the daytime, and why do the stars twinkle? These two questions are very important for your exam. So why are the stars not seen in the daytime? This is nothing but an example. We are say few needle holes on a piece of black paper, wrap a torch with this paper, switch the torch on and point it towards the wall in a dark room. This is nothing but this is nothing but an example, just an example. So this is not the answer. I will give you in my next class the answer of this two important question. Okay, that's all. Thank you.